नमस्ते एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू माय ब्लॉग। काफ़ी टाइम हो गया और मैंने पोस्ट कुछ नहीं किया। द रियल रीज़न वाज आई वाज बिजी प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर माय पीएचडी एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम एंड नाउ इट्स डन। आई एम रियली वेरी हैप्पी। कल मेरे पीएचडी कोर्स वर्क का फर्स्ट डे। एक्चुअली आई गॉट सिलेक्टेड, सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड एंड आई एम अ वेरी एंशियस पर्सन। वैसे तो ये काम कल सुबह भी हो सकता था, बट आई गेट सो स्कैर्ड दैट मैं सब कुछ रात को ही तैयार करके रख देती हूँ. So basically I will be carrying this bag. This bag is I think it's a beauty and it was gifted to me by my Ija. I'm an Uttarakhandi, so हम मम्मी को ईजा बुलाते हैं उत्तराखंडी को मम्मी लैंग्वेज में. So ये मेरी ईजा ने मुझे गिफ्ट दिया था. Now the real question is, जो मुझे बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट पड़ रहा है कि मैं क्या करूँ, is to carry this laptop or not. I think it's the first day, तो इतना तो कुछ रिसर्च या ऐसा टॉपिक नहीं होगा. And I've not got any timetable. We have been just told कि कल 9 से 5 रहना है. So I'm just wondering whether I should carry this or not. I'll think about it later. So this is the wallet. Again, this was gifted to me by my mother, Ija. I'll have to carry this. I have no other option. This is my pencil pen and other utility pouch, and I will be carrying this. काफ़ी बहुत सामान है इसके अंदर. This is my actual pouch जो मैं कैरी नहीं करती हूँ, बट इसके अंदर सब मटेरियल्स रहता है. I won't be carrying this. So again I am in dilemma कि I should carry a notebook or papers, because I usually take my notes on papers and then I file it up. But I don't know, my mother was persistent that I should carry a book because I also have a habit of losing papers और मैं उसी दिन आके नहीं रखती. So I think I'm going to take this book. It was lying in my bookshelf, so I will be using this for tomorrow. And then I'll decide what exactly I have to use. Like I will be using plain papers for my notes or for this notebook, depending upon definitely the quality of lectures I will be having. Now this is a very special diary which was again gifted to me by Ija on my birthday, and it has my name on it, which I don't want to show. Now this diary is special because I'm a maritime lawyer, and ये डिज़ाइन एंकर का भी उसी रीज़न से बना है. So मुझे काफ़ी thoughtful गिफ्ट लगा. But yes, बहुत सारी चीज़ें मुझे मेरी मम्मी ही गिफ्ट देती है. I am very introvert and I don't have that many friends. I will be carrying this mic as well. I won't be carrying my camera or any stand of that sort क्योंकि I'll get very nervous if people see me recording. This is my skincare which I will be doing. I don't do any of that on regular basis, but क्योंकि कल first day और थोड़ा सा ऐसे decent human बन के जाना है, and I don't want to appear कि यार ये तो सिर्फ ऐसे ही उठ के आ गए. So this is just a moisturizer. This is lip balm. This is eye cream. Again, I will be using this toner tomorrow, and this is like sunscreen, so I will be using this. That's it. That's the only makeup that I will be using. I don't use any makeup. So this is not because I don't like it, but because I don't know how to do it. So yes, this is sunscreen I will be using, and this is the only thing that I will be using. Yes. Yeah, and I also have a lip balm. कहाँ गया? Yes, I will be putting this. That's it. I think इतना काफ़ी है, and I think I really want to appreciate my bag. मुझे लगता है मुझे बहुत ही थोड़ा सा ऐसा mature vibes देगा, वरना कोई I think whenever I go on a very casual wear and I carry a casual ऐसे backpack, तो कोई मुझे seriously लेता नहीं है. तो I thought of कि थोड़ा सा एटलीस्ट इनिशियली कुछ दिन जो मेरे लेक्चर्स का मैं ये बैग को यूटिलाइज करूँ, इसमें अपने बुक्स रखूँ. सो या लेट्स सी. आई एम जस्ट सो एक्साइटेड फॉर टुमारो एंड नर्वस एज वेल. आई विल सी यू एट माय नाइट टाइम स्किन केयर रूटीन. just want to show you my, the gist of what exactly is my nighttime skincare routine. So basically, मैं इतना कुछ regularly follow नहीं करती, but अगर मुझे कहीं जाना रहता है तो definitely do some basic like moisturizing and all. सबसे पहले मैंने पिलग्रिम का ये सीरम लिया है जो I'll apply एक अच्छे से क्लिनजिंग फेस वॉश यूज़ करने के बाद. इसके बाद आई स्टार्ट अप्लाइंग, मैं उसको सब 1-2 मिनट रहने देती हूँ एंड देन आई अप्लाई द एक्ोलॉजिका का मॉइस्चराइज़र. ये मॉइस्चराइज़र काफ़ी हाइड्रेटिंग है, बट मैं इसे डेली बेसिस पे यूज़ नहीं कर सकती, वो भी सुबह तो बिल्कुल नहीं यूज़ कर सकती क्योंकि आई गेस इसमें ग्लिसरीन है और मेरी आँखें मुझे काफ़ी भारी लगने लगती है. बट ये काफ़ी अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है और बहुत ही मॉइस्चराइजिंग इफेक्ट देता है और काइंड ऑफ ग्लो भी देता है स्किन को. And for eye, because I have a habit of staying late at night and studying, and because मुझे रात को देर तक पढ़ने की आदत है and I have really bad dark circles, तो I always use an under eye cream of Himalaya. मैंने बाकी प्रोडक्ट्स अभी तक एक्सप्लोर नहीं किए तो मैं इसी बेसिक के साथ जाती हूँ. देन फॉर लिप केयर ऑल्सो बहुत ही सिंपल है, मैं वैसलीन पे ही रिलाई करती हूँ एंड अगेन आई एम नॉट फैन ऑफ अ लॉट ऑफ अदर प्रोडक्ट्स. सो दैट्स इट, इतना ही मेरा स्किन केयर नाइट रूटीन है. I've reached my campus and I'm seriously trying to figure out कि रास्ता क्या है. By the way, Amity campus is really beautiful. आज फर्स्ट डे है बट फॉर सम रीज़न आई फील वेरी अनप्रिपेयर्ड एंड आई हैव लिटरली नो क्लू कि मैं कहाँ जा रही हूँ. मुझे कोई दिख भी नहीं रहा है. So basically I'm done with my lectures and lecture was so since it was just an introduction. तो वैसे तो कुछ नहीं कराया, yes, but comparatively जहाँ पे भी मैंने मास्टर्स और BLSL भी किया है उसके कंपैरिजन में मुझे इस यूनिवर्सिटी का डेडिकेशन फ़िलहाल तो ज़्यादा लग रहा है. बट यस, फर्स्ट डे तो सब बड़ी बड़ी बातें करते ही है. But let's see, I'm just being very positive since PhD is something that I want to take it very serious. So basically, our ma'am also told us that she took 6 years to complete her PhD, and I'm not surprised because she was, a COVID batch student. But yes, I'm very scared. The biggest task is to find the way outside, and I literally see no people around, and some of my classmates, they decided to sit in the class and have an interactive session with them knowing about each other. And like I said, I'm very introvert, So I decided to go since the lectures were over, and we just had one lecture, which was a very casual lecture. So yeah, this place looks very pretty. Hello everyone, I'm back and आज का दिन I was just unpacking and आज का दिन काफ़ी सो था, so it was okay-ish क्योंकि वहाँ से एमिटी से वापस आना was a real difficult task for me because Saturdays को उनकी बस भी नहीं रहती है and there were no auto earlier, so I have booked an Uber, but eventually Uber and auto wala had a fight and I have to give in and I have to travel in auto. Nonetheless, कोर्स का जो वर्क है वो अभी तक चालू नहीं हुआ है and it's going to take a lot of time and I'm just unwinding and and I will be keeping this bag properly. So आज तो क्लास में इतना कुछ नहीं कराया. She just our teacher just told us to आपका जो भी टॉपिक है उसको आप थोड़ा नैरो डाउन करने की कोशिश करो. You just mention research objective and questions अगर आपके हिसाब से. It was just a rough thing and what's the trigger point of your like why you decided to opt for the topic. And also I was afterwards reviewing the syllabus, and syllabus is honestly not very difficult. It's because half of the syllabus I've already done in my master's level. ये सब मैंने किया हुआ है, model 1, model 2, model 3. So basically we are going to have 3 papers and जो first paper है वो सारे PhD scholars का काफ़ी common है, but जो 2 main papers होने वाले हैं जो मेरा course work है that is strictly for the law PhD scholars, तो वो अलग है. but जो first paper है because we have 3 papers, so the first paper is common for all the PhD scholars irrespective of which domain or which specialization they are in. तो चाहे management हो कोई भी हो, जो first paper है सबका same. It's basically something related to research. And in paper 2 and paper 3 which is law related, this is the syllabus. So काफ़ी cliche syllabus है, सब कुछ पढ़ा हुआ है, कुछ याद नहीं है, but हाँ पढ़ा हुआ तो है. But honestly speaking जो module 6 है and मुझे काफ़ी क्या कह सकते हैं क्लीशे लग रहा है क्योंकि हमेशा से ये टॉपिक्स हमने हर जगह पढ़ा है, तो मुझे कुछ इनोवेटिव ऐसा एज सच लगा नहीं. बट let's see. I mean, I'll try to, whenever we have been told to discuss this topic or to have an interactive session, I'll try to give a very different perspective than what exactly it is present all over the internet. And I'll try to, mix it with my thesis topic. वरना this is बहुत cliche topic है, सबके same ही points हो गए. But I have no other option. बाकी तो what is legal research and everything we have done at master's level. Now the real task is कि 100 marks के जो पेपर हमारा होने वाला है जिसमें it's compulsory for us to get more than 60%. अगर उससे कम आया we are told to appear for the exam again, and I don't want to do that, and I just want to complete my coursework as fast as I can, that is within 6 months. So this is paper 1 and paper 2 is this about literature review, what is the significance and everything. So now there are 2 parts. One is to actually know it theoretically ताकि हम 100 marks का पेपर दे पाए, and the second part is to actually know how to apply it. क्योंकि I think they have to be, according to me, I don't know, हमें अभी तक explain नहीं किया. 2 part होना चाहिए, एक जो theoretical exam में आएगा, दूसरा जब आप actually अपना literature review कर रहे होते. So yes, again module 4 is something which is very cliche, बहुत common है. सब लोग जो भी अगर information निकालेंगे, it will be more of जो public domain में information available है, कुछ ऐसा unique नहीं है. And I think ये पहले भी सब हर जगह topic यही same रहा होगा. इस module 4 में कुछ innovation नहीं हुआ है. That's it. Apart from that, I just want to end my vlog on a very good note that I'm so happy to, start my new academic, venture, and I'm really happy, and I feel very blessed that I have a family that really supports me. And when I told them that I want to pursue PhD, which was very long back, they were very supportive, and they're very happy that I'm pursuing PhD and I cracked this exam. So the exam for the Amity University was very easy, but हाँ मैंने 4-5 महीने लिए थे प्रिपरेशन के लिए. उतना हार्ड नहीं था, but yes, you need to prepare. At least there are 2 stages. One is there's this objective question, and second is the interview round. अगर objective session जो बहुत easy था वो तो है ही, but जो second round होता है उसमें you have to really prepare your topic. Like you have to convince the interview panel that your topic is worth investing the time. That's it. So apart from that, बाकी का coursework and everything, I think when the real things start, I will let you all know. Till then, thank you for watching the my first day at the university, and thank you, and keep watching Dil Mange Moksha. Thank you.